Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, cruise control, power windows, heated steering wheel, trip odometer, power brakes, clock. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.